Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog. And you know, when I buy something, I'm gonna share it with you. Well, remember this one on the Gator, and this is the all-season adjustable Gator. I've been wearing it for, well, since I did the video on it about three months ago. This is what this one looks like, and it's been fantastic. Just throw it over my neck. Good to go. It's got the adjustable on it, and then you can take it all the way up, all the way around, put it under your thing. It does get, it's like no matter what mask you're wearing, it does get a little warm. It doesn't appear to fog up anything that I wear, though. That's the nice thing about it. Well, Mission makes this one too, which is the more common one that you see in Walmart. I don't know whether come April we're no longer going to be wearing masks. I have no idea, especially with people who are getting the COVID shots. And I'm getting my second one on the 2nd of April. So if you're going anywhere, you're going to have you're going to fly on a plane or whatever. You're probably going to have ID. Or if anybody's asking, have you had your shot yet? You show them your ID. I'm sure they're going to have fake ones. Wow, look at the length of this. Wow, this is the cooling one. If you get it wet, it's supposed to keep you cool. It's sort of a sweat activating. Man, but that's really long. And it doesn't appear to be any. There's no adjusters. There's no adjusters on it. We're gonna pull it up. This one you can wear like 16 different ways. Of course, because of the size of it. It's supposed to be they say it's a cooling one. Where's my glasses? See, cooling activation. You get it wet. You can wet it. Once you get it wet, and you wring it out, and you snap it, and you wear it. Let's see. Cools instantly when wet. 12 plus ways to cool. Reusable, machine washable, helps defend against dust and wind, chemical free cooling, UPF 50 sun protection, soft breathable fabric, cools up to 2 hours. See, cools instantly, reusable, says the same thing. If you look at it, you can see all the different ways to wear it. How does that design go? I guess you could. You flip it inside out and flip it up over your head. That's the way I'm wearing it right now. So just around, you can get it wet. Keep your neck cool. You can roll it up. Oh, that's kind of a cool way to do it. To learn the different ways to wrap it up, but it's definitely big enough that you can do it this way. You hide yourself in it, and then of course. And you can probably roll it a couple different ways. Do like an Arab that, and it goes down your back. Where's that M? I got actually inside out now. So yeah. Alright. There we go. Upside down now. There you go. Maybe outside, covering your head. Probably wearing this outside. Then you get it all wet. Just find your favorite way to wear it. So, all right. So this one's it's $20 or $25. Pretty much the same price as this one here. This might work. This one I wear for work. This one here I can wear for work too. Just put it around your neck. But this one's got the adjustable on it. That one doesn't. So anyway, we'll go with that. Try with that and I'll work for a while and see what get it wet during the summertime. That's a cool thing. Especially if I'm out working on the farm again this year. Alright, so look at him. I lost the M. M, there you are. Okay. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch me on the next Crosby's Vlogs. Life after 60.